Hi, it's Chester at Blue Beacon Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at why Excel sometimes shows dotted lines, or technically I think they're dashed lines. You can see this between columns F and G. I have a dashed line going right through my worksheet. Now this is caused when you view some kind of print preview option. You might go to File, Print preview there. That will cause that dashed line. That's essentially where the page break is. Or you might have gone to View, Page Break Preview. It actually shows the dashed line in this view as well as a blue dashed line. So either views will create that indicator there of where the page break is. Now one way of getting rid of that indicator is very simply just to close and then reopen the Excel spreadsheet. But another way of hiding this page break indicator is to go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll down until you can see a section called Display Options for this worksheet. And there is your option, Show Page Break. So if you untick that, click on OK, it'll no longer show page breaks on this particular worksheet. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's been useful. If it has, please subscribe and I'll see you next video.